Hello, welcome back to the brand new session of Certified Ethical Hacking Program. And in this session, we are going to discuss how we can use different techniques for website footprinting. So basically, website footprinting refers to monitoring and analyzing the target organization's website for information. So consider a lab scenario. As a professional ethical hacker, you should be able to extract a variety of information about the target organization from its website by performing website footprinting. So you can extract the information related to the target organization's websites, such as the software used and the version, operating system details, file names, paths, database, field names, contact details, CMS details, the technology used to build the website, scripting platform, etc. So using this information, you can further plan to launch the advanced attacks on the target organization. So what are the lab objectives? So we will gather the information about the target organization with the help of using ping commands line utility. Then again, we will gather the information about the target websites using the photon. We will gather the information about a target website using central ops. We will extract the company data using web data extractor. We will mirror the target website using the httrack website copier. Then we will gather the information about the target website using grecon, and we will also gather the word list from the target website using cwl. So how we will use this particular tools, I will just let you know. So website footprinting is a technique used to collect the information regarding the target organization website. So website footprinting can provide sensitive information associated with the website, such as registered names and address of the domain owner, then domain names, host of the sites, OS details, IP details, registered details, and so on. So there is a first task whether we will gather the task or you can say where we will gather the information about the target website using ping command line utility. So as we all are aware about that, how ping will work. So ping is a network administration utility used to test the reachability of a host on IP network and measure the round trip, for the message sent from the originating host to destination computer. So the ping command, let me just show you. So the ping command sends an ICMP echo request to the target host and waits for an ICMP response. So during this request response process, ping measures the time from transmission to reception, known as a round trip type, and records any loss of packets. So the ping command assists in obtaining domain information and the IP address of the target websites. So here we will use ping command line utility to gather information about the target website. So as you can see that I have ran the ping command, as you can see that on my screen right now. So you can also choose, again, if you are using ping command on Linux, so it will not stop automatically. So you need to stop or you need to terminate this command. As you can see that I ran this command and it was running, and I just pressed Control C to stop this command. Right, if you are running on your Windows machine, so you don't need to worry, because on Windows machine you can see it will run only 4 times. So as you can see that it will run and it will automatically stop after some time. So you can see that on my screen right now. As you can see that the request timeout, you can also try one more time. Right, it's fine. So this is how the ping command will work. And what are the stuff which you can find out in the ping command? So let me just show you. So let's consider our target organization is let me just show you, ping space certifiedhacker.com. You can also test all your tools on this website, and this is an authenticated website. So you can see that the target domain IP address is in the result, as you can see that on my screen right now. So you can also obtain the information on ping statistics, such as packet sent, packet received, packet lost, and approximate round trip time, and all of those stuff. So as you can see that this is our target organization IP, 162.241.216.11. Again, this is a Linux terminal, so that's why I need to stop manually. And now what you can do, you can also try the command ping space certifiedhacker.com space -f. Here -f is specifying the setting not fragmented flag in the packet. Then I will also use -l actually, specifying the buffer size. Let me consider 1500 and you can hit enter. So you can see that cannot set preload to value greater than 3 or 1500. So let's consider if it is not working on the Linux. You can also try on Windows. So let me try with ping certifiedhacker.com -f -l 1500. So -l and 1500. So now you can see that packet needs to be fragmented but df set. So as you can see that here you will get the exact details related with the stuff as well. So the response packet needs to be fragmented but df set means that the frame is too large to be on the network and needs to be fragmented. So the packet was not sent as we used the -f switch with the ping command, and the ping command returned this error. So you can also try 1300 as well. Again, we need to just be careful about this particular networking part, because these are the stuff which you need to just be careful about. So here you can see that we got the response. So observe that the maximum packet size is less than 1500 bytes and more than 1300 bytes. So now try different values until you find the maximum frame size for instance. So let's have a look into the new command. Let me just try 1473. So again we are getting the same error, right? Can you check 1472? I'm just doing the random. So now you can see that this is a stuff which you can do that part. Yes, it's pinging fine. I will try 90. Yes, I think something requesting timeout, right? So let me just try 80. 80 is not working. Let me try 1340. 40 is working good. 50 is working good. So that means we need to try with 60. 60 is doing good. 80 is giving us requesting timeout. 70, yeah, 70 is working fine. So let me just try 75. Yeah, 75 is giving us requesting timeout. So that will be the maximum number what we are getting right now, because 70 is pinging out, but yeah, it should be different in every target organization case. Yeah, so now you can see that. So this will be our maximum value. So yeah, 72 is the last final maximum number, right? So 1372 is the last number which we are getting successful ping. So now discover what happens when TTL time to leave expires and every frame on the network has TTL defined. So if TTL reaches 0, then the router discard the packets. So this mechanism prevents the loss of packets. So in the command, you can also try to give ping space certifiedhacker.com and let me just try -i3. So here the option sets the time to leave, that is -i. So we just gave the value 3. So you can see that the TTL expired in transit. So as you can see that on my screen right now, the TTL expired in the transit. That means that the router discarded the frame because its TTL has expired. So it's reached to 0. So you need to just minimize the command prompt if you can, and you can launch a new command prompt, or if you are using terminal, yes, you can also use that. So here what I'm doing, I'm typing the new command ping space certifiedhacker.com and I will try -i2 -n space 1. So you can just press hit enter. So -n specifying the number of echo requests to be sent to the target. So here you can see that the ping statistics and whatever you are getting. Here you can also try -3, -I space 3. So this sets the TTL value to 3. So yes, observe that there is a reply coming from IP address and there is a no packet loss. So again, now you can change the time to leave value. So we need to find the hope value by trying different TTL values to reach this certifiedhacker.com. So in my case, I will try to use 15. Oh yeah. So now you can see that approximately round trip you can see, right? We are getting a different value. So let me just try with different number. 5. 5 we are not getting. Let me just try with 8. Yeah, we are not getting in 8 as well. Let me just try with 10. No, we are not getting 10. Let me just try with 13. Yeah, 13 we are getting, right? So let me just try with 12. No, so 13 will be the exact number where we are getting something. So approximately round trip times in milliseconds. So here you can get the details. So on successful finding the TTL value, it will imply that the reply is received from the destination host, and this will conclude the demonstration of gathering information about a target website using ping commands line utility. And the TTL value which we got, the maximum frame size allowed on the target network, and obviously we got this kind of details in this particular demonstration. So now in the next task, we will gather the information about the target website using Photon. So now what you can do, you can just try to run the command on attacker of this here Kali Linux machine. Run command Photon. So this is a nice tool. So now command Photon not found but can be installed with sudo apt install Photon. So do you want to install it? Yes, I want to install it, and it will be done in a moment. It will ask you for the password. Yes, give the password, whatever it is, and now it will be installed. So this tool has been installed successfully, and here we will consider certifiedhacker.com as a target website. However, you can select your target domain of your choice. So here what I will do, let me just clear the terminal. So here you can try Photon to run this. So now you can see that this is a Photon tool, right? So this is version 2.2. So here what you need to do this, you can go through Photon space -u for URL, and you can try to give certifiedhacker.com. Sorry, I just wrote down incorrect. So now you can see that the output of Photon space -u for URL certifiedhacker.com. So level 1 progress, level 2. So you will get a lot of stuff, and this results options are saved in certifiedhacker.com directory under the Photon folder. You can also go through that directory as well. So you can see that there are a lot of stuffs which can be useful. So you can see that the results saved in certifiedhacker.com directory. So the directory will be only here. So you can just type ls and you will find out the certifiedhacker.com. So I will just go through the certifiedhacker.com directory. Okay, let me just type certifiedhacker.com. Yeah, and you can type to ls, and you can see the external txt, internal txt, and the script txt as well. So if you want to check this, so you can just go through cat external. So yes, this is how you can find out. And if you want to find out internal, so yes, internal. And the third, last but not the least, and that is script. So now you can see that all these stuff which you can get the details. Now you can also try the command the same command Python, or you can use Photon and space -u certifiedhacker.com -l space 3 -t space 2 double o. Double o means 00 and double hyphen way back. So you need to press enter, and you can see that. So here -u specifying the target website, that is URL, -l specifying the level to crawl, and -t is specifying the number of threads, and hyphen way back is specifying using URLs from archive.org as seeds. So the output might vary when you perform the risk, or maybe perform this particular task. So again, you can find out, and this results options will be saved in the same directory as we seen in previous step under the Photon directory, and you can navigate to this to view the result. So let me just try ls, and you can see I have again created the folder because I was in the same folder. So let me just go back again, certifiedhacker.com. So basically, if I can show you as graphically, so when I was trying to run first time, so I tried here in my home directory, and then I just went to the directory, so and then I tried the next command, so that's why it is creating a next directory, right? So let me just ls. So again, you can see that the external and internal and script. So here you can try external txt, internal txt, so you will get everything here. Let me just internal txt and the script txt as well, right? So you can further explore the Photon tool and perform various other functionalities such as the cloning of the target website, extracting secret keys and cookies, obtaining strings by specifying the regex patterns, etc. So using this information, the attackers can perform various attacks on the target websites such as brute force attacks, denial of service attacks, injection attacks, phishing attacks, and social engineering attacks, so on. So yes, this will conclude the demonstration of gathering information on the target website using the Photon tool. So now we will discuss about the task 3, gather information about a target website using Central Ops. So first of all, I would like to clear my terminal and go back to Mozilla Firefox. Here we will type centralops.net. So Central Ops is a free online network scanner that will investigate the domains, IP addresses, DNS records, trace routes, NS lookup, whois searches, and so on. So here we will consider certifiedhacker.com as a target website. However, you can select the target domain of your choice. So here in the search box, you can just type certifiedhacker.com. So to extract the information associated with the target organization website, you can type the target website's URL in the enter domain IP address field, and then you can click to go to button, right? So here we are having go button. So I will just go through the certifiedhacker.com. So here you can check as a result for certifiedhacker.com containing information such as address, lookup, domain, whois record, and so on. Right, so you can see that on my screen right now. So here we are having everything. If you want to service scan trace route, yes, you can also go. So you can scroll down to view all the information such as network, whois record, DNS record, as you can see that on my screen right now. So the attacker can use this information to perform injection attacks and other web application attacks on this target website. So this is address lookup, domain, whois record. You can also check that the whois registered URL, updated date, expiry date, everything. You can have a look into this part. This is whois information as well. Then this is network whois record. and these are DNS records which you can find out, and these are the trace route. So how we can get the service scan, that what kind of protocols they are using, like FTP, SMTP, HTTP, POP3, IMAP, HTTPS, so on. So this will conclude the demonstration of gathering information about the target website using the Central Ops online tool. You can also use tools such as Website Informer. Actually, that is again a nice tool, Website Informer, because that is again a nice tool, right? And you can also use Burp Suite. Actually, Burp Suite is a default tool in the in our Kali Linux tool. And yes, we will use Burp Suite, so don't worry about this part. So I'm just skipping right now for, yeah, this is a Burp Suite tool. And along with that, you can also use the one more tool. The name is Proxy, right? Proxy, Zap. So you can also go through this. So again, the same process which we have done in the previous Central Ops tool. You need to just give the target organization name and you will get all the information on both the tool. So now I'm just closing all these tabs and I will open up a new window, and I will just type the name of the tool is Web Data Extractor. So this is again a nice tool. This is the process. Web data extraction is the process of extracting the data from the web pages available on the company's websites, and the company's data such as contact details, emails, phone, fax, URLs, metadata, or many titles, description, keywords for website promotion, directories, web research, and a lot of things. We can get all those kind of things, and these are the important sources of information for an ethical hacker. So web spiders, also known as a web crawler or web robot, such as web data extractor, performs automated searches on the target websites and extract specified information from the target website. So this is a tool you can also download for free, and you can try for the trial, right? And so here I have already downloaded this tool in my Windows machine. You can see that on my screen right now. WDE, that is Web Data Extractor. So I will just run as an administrator. So it is giving me the pop-up, which you will not able to see this because of my administrator account on the video, so it will not include this. So now here you can see that welcome to the Web Data Extractor setup wizard, where you can click on the next. This is a welcome screen. Here it is asking you for the where you want to save this particular installation process. So yes, I will click next. If you want to create a desktop icon or quick launch icon, and that's it. You can also create both of them and you can install it. Once your installation has been complete, you can launch the Web Data Extractor. So now WDE, that is Web Data Extractor, is open up. So now here you need to just go through the new button icon, and here you can just try to give your URL. Make sure WDE, or you can say Web Data Extractor, is not supporting HTTPS website, so you can just paste it any HTTP website. Well, how we can extract the data from HTTPS website, we will see in upcoming sessions, so don't worry about that. But as of now, the WDE supports only HTTP websites. So here I have kept my target organization. Make sure that you are configured, you are configuring your spider in everything. I have selected and I will click on OK. Once it's done, you can see it will start. When you click on start, you can see that everything will be listed down. So we will wait for some time, and we will see what kind of information we are getting. So now the extraction has been completed, and you will see the pop-up information that Web Data Extractor has finished the session. So now you can just go through all the tabs which you can see that on my screen right now. So first is session, where we created our this session for this particular target organization. Then you can see that this is a meta tags, where you can find everything like URL, title, keywords, description, host, domain, right? Then again you can also see that some of the parts like page size and when the page last modified, everything you can see that. But if you go through on the right of the meta tags, you will find out the emails. So you can see that emails, name, URL and the title. Same, you will find out some phone number as well. Faxes, merge list, you will find out if there is anyone, but no, as of now we don't have. Then you can see that URLs, so how many URLs they are using right now. So you can find out that how many URLs are there. So this is how you can just go through this part, and you can also go through the meta tags and you can save this particular format. So you cannot save more than 10 records in a demo version. Yes, fine. So here it is asking you that what kind of information you want to save, right? Please make sure you cannot save more than 10 records in a demo version, as we downloaded for free. So here you can save this into this particular directory, whatever it is showing, you can save. So this is how you can just extract your all the information whatever you required. And this concludes the demonstration of extracting the company's data using the web data extractor tool. And you can also use the tool PARCEHUB. This is again a nice tool. You can just download this tool, or you can also use one more tool. The name of the tool is Spider Foot. So this is again a nice tool. You can choose whatever you want. Again, these all tools can be used to extract the target organization's data, right? So this is the official website for Pairs Hub, and this is a official website, or you can say the GitHub, where you can just download the Spider Foot. This is a nice tool which you can use that part. Again, this is the tool which is available in the Kali Linux, so you don't need to download externally, right? So the next task is based on mirroring a target website using httrack. Httrack is a nice website and nice tool actually to copy the website data. So yeah, httrack website copier. So you can just go through this link. So basically we need to understand website mirroring concept. So it is the process of creating a replica or clone of the original website. This mirroring of the website helps you to footprinting the website truly on your local system, and allows you to download a website to a local directory, analyze all directories, HTML, images, flash, video, and other files from the server on your computer. So you can duplicate website by using website mirroring tools such as httrack website copier. And httrack is an offline browser utility that downloads a website from the internet to a local directory, builds all the directories recursively, and transfer HTML, images, and other files from the web servers to another computer. So here we will use the httrack website copier tool to mirror the entire website of the target organization, and we will store it in the local system drive and browse the local website to identify possible exploits and vulnerabilities. So you need to just download this particular website. So you can just go through the download, and here your download will start. But here we need to proceed. Before we need to proceed, yeah, you can just click on this httrack 3.49.2exe. So you can just download this, and here you will see file not show more information. So here you need to allow your download. Once you allow your download, it will save on your drive. So basically I'm just closing this, as I have already downloaded in my local system. So let me just show you. So here httrack.3.49.2. so here I will just go through, right click, and I will run as administrator. Again it will be blanked for a moment. So that's why, because I am having the administrator account, so that's why. So again, you need to just click on next for the welcome screen, and on the license agreement you can accept the agreement. Then yes, you can select the installation directory and the name, and everything is fine for me, and you can install it. It will take a while, and yes, you can start using HT track. You can also launch the Win HT track website copier, and you can just click on finish. So here you will see this kind of pop-up, Win HT track. Again, this is all about this particular tool, and you can click on OK. And once you click on OK, you will get this kind of window. So you can click on next, because this is a welcome screen of the HT track website copier. And here you can enter the project name, whatever you want, like project 1, right? Or you can tag the test project or whatever you want. And then you can also categories, or you can also categorize your project if you have. And the best path will be this, and you can click on next. Once it's done, you can go through. You need to enter the URL here. So yes, we will use the same website, and you can click on the set option. Once you click on set option, you will get this kind of pop-up again. So here you need to add all these kind of images or whatever it is. So here you can just go through the scan rules, and here you can click on all those which can be applied. And once it's done, you can click on OK, and here you can click on next. So once you click on next, you will get the new window again. So by default, the radio button will be selected in a previous method, as you can see that. And here the please adjust connection parameter if necessary, then press whatever it is saying, right? And yes, please check the disconnect when finished. And if you want any other stuff, yes, you can. And you can click on finish, and it will start scanning the website, or it will copy all the information related with this particular website. So we will wait for a while until and unless this will not complete. Well, here I waited a long time, so now I will just cancel this progress. But I can just tell you about this particular process once it's done, because you need to be have some patience. But as I am creating some videos, so obviously I cannot do that. But yeah, I am just canceling this process for now, because I waited a long. I am just waiting for last half an hour. So now I'm just canceling this, and once the process will be complete, you will see the new window where you can just browse your mirrored website. So I hope stop, yeah, okay. And you can see that I'm getting an error log, because I just canceled this progress. But yeah, you can just go through the browse mirror website. So you can see that, guys, this is the mirror website, and this is opened in my system for now. So this the mirror website for the web data extractor launches, and the URL is displayed in the address bar, as you can see that in my screen right now. So you can analyze all the directories, HTML images, flash videos and other files available on the mirror target website. So you can also check for the possible exploits and vulnerabilities. So the site will work like a live hosted website. So you need to just be careful about that. Some website may very large, so it might take a long time to mirror the complete site. But yes, the attackers can further use these vulnerabilities identified through HT-Track websites copier to launch various web application attacks on the target organization website. And yes, this concludes the demonstration of mirroring a target website using HT-Track website copier. So now next task is related with the gather information about a target website using grecon. So now what we need to do, we need to type grecon, and yeah, you may need to use tool with the help of grecon. So let me just take a name, grecon tool, and you will get the GitHub link. So you need to just go through the GitHub link. Yeah, that's one. And we can just go ahead and we can just copy that particular link. So grecon is a Python tool that can be used to run Google search queries to perform reconnaissance on a target to find subdomains, uh, subdomains as well, login pages, directory listing, exposed documents, and WordPress entries. So here we can just go through and we can just copy that link and just go through the terminal, git clone, and let me just try. Yeah, now it will work. So basically I have copied wrong thing, so that's why it was not working. So now you need to just go through grecon, enter ls, and here you can see grecon py, and here you can run the Python command as well, python 3 and grecon.py. I hope I need to give execute command or not. Let me just check. So as you can see that I have ran 3 commands. Uh, so now my error has been resolved, and you can see that current micro plugins. So you need to set your target. Like in my case, I can type certifiedhacker.com. So let's consider if your tool is still not working and it's giving you an error. So you can use the alternative tool. Yes, it can be possible if you are a hacker or if you are an ethical hacker. So sometimes the tool will not work, and if it is not working, so you should have some alternative as well. In my case, I am having my alternative, the harvester, right? And you can try to run this command, and I hope the harvester will not give you disappointment, and yes, it will give you some subdomains as well. So basically in this session, in this tool, actually our motive was to identify subdomains of our target organization. So yes, I hope harvester will give you. So as I told you, harvester will not disappointment, it will not give you the disappointment. So now you can see that host, as you can see that these are their sub host name, and yes, in grecon you can get only the host, or you can say the subdomain, but in this we are getting the IP address as well. So that's a good idea. And yes, attackers can further use this gathered information to perform various web application attacks on the target website. And this concludes the demonstration of gathering information about a target website using grecon, or you can say the harvester if you are not getting any error. So we'll just close this window, and we are just going to this our last point which we have remaining, and that is the gathering information, or you can say the gather word list from the target website using CEWL. And what is that? We will have a look into this part. So you need to just back to your terminal of your Kali Linux, and you need to just be careful that what exactly CEWL is. So the word available on the target website may reveal the critical information that can assist in performing further exploitation. So CEWL is a Ruby app that can be used to spider a given target URL to a specified depth, optionally following the external links, and returns a list of unique words that can be used for cracking password. Yes, so you can, if you are don't if you are not aware about the CEWL, yes, you can just go through with the help, and here you will get all the related help. You can see that So here I wrote down a command cewl and space I have kept hyphen d, which is representing the depth to the spider, the website. So I kept 2, and space hyphen m, which is representing the minimum word length. So here I kept 5, and this is a target organization on which I am just attacking. So here you need to just hit enter. Okay, I was on my physical machine, so now I kept enter on my virtual machine. So now we will wait, and here it will take around 20 to 30 seconds, maybe more, because it will give you the complete list. Yeah, so here you can see that we got the full list of the words. So really very good. And if you want to do so, let me just try with the word list, complete word list, if you can get the output. So you need to just command hyphen w word list dot txt. So it will goes into the root directory. So we will just have a look ls. So here you can see the word list dot txt is coming up, but we will wait for output to that particular file. So we will open this particular file once this process has been done. So basically this file containing a unique word list extracted from the target websites opens, and as you can see that on my screen right now. So we will open this file once this process has been completed. So yes, this command has been completed, and you can check vi space word list. So vi is a text editor. With the help of vi, I just opened this file. You can have a look into this file. So yeah, this word list can be used further to perform brute force attacks against the previously obtained emails of the target organization's employees. So this concludes the demonstration of gathering word list from the target website using CEWL. And hence we completed the full lab session of performing website footprinting.